How to create an account on Boot dating app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Boot dating app. To do so, first of all, you will need to ensure that you have already downloaded the official Boot dating application from Google Play Store or any other app store. Once you have installed it, open your Boot application on your mobile device, and in this home page, you'll be able to see two different options, whether to continue with your Google account or email. Here I am selecting continue with Google. Once you select this option, you will be asked to choose the Google account. You will be prompted to choose the Google account, and after choosing it, you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to enter your name. After entering, tap on the continue button and here select your gender. After selecting, tap on continue at the bottom. Here now select your birthday. Use the slider, scroll up and down to find your birthday. Once after selecting, here make sure to choose the correct one, as you won't be able to change this later. After that, tap on the continue button at the very bottom. You will be prompted to confirm your birthday. Tap on yes and proceed further. Here you will be prompted to enable location. Tap on continue. After that, you will need to go through this personality test that helps you to match with compatible users. You can also select this first option that says I already know my type. After that, here select your personality and then you will be taken to a new page. In this page, tap on the continue button below and then again tap on continue to proceed. In this page, here you can select based on your preference, or you may also tap on the skip option at the very bottom to skip the step. Here you can state your relationship status and tap on this continue button at the bottom. You'll also get to skip this option. Simply tap on the skip, and in the next page, here you will need to select what you are looking for. Select one of these options and tap on continue. Here, select your preference and then tap on this continue button below. In this page here, you will need to choose at least 5 interests to your profile in order to connect with like-minded individuals. And after that, tap on the continue button below. If you want to add some more interest, you can tap on the add button. If not, tap on the skip button. After that, in this page, tap on the continue button until you reach to the final page. And after that, here you will be prompted to enter your job title. Tap on the continue button after that. Here you will be prompted to add your school. And here if you want to add some personal information, you can add it here. If not, tap on the skip button to skip this step. You will be prompted to add some questions. Simply tap on the plus button and follow the instructions. If you'd like to skip this step, tap on the skip button at the very bottom. And then in this page, here select your language. Tap on the continue button. Here you can add a photo if you want. Upload your photo and tap on this continue button. You may also add a description about yourself in this page. And after that, here access the device location. And then you will see you have successfully created an account on Boot dating app. So by following these steps, you should be able to create an account on Boot dating app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.